Who is best suited to lead Zimbabwe? A hard look at the political landscape. Sanabina Mashoko, analyze unachiona kuti aiwa angava best suited to lead our own nation ndiye anodiwa subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipena panapa pahedo Facebook vanodanyira chiti number 1. Incumbent Mnangagwa, strength. His maintained control over ZANU-PF despite factional battles, commands the state apparatus, survived domestic and international pressure through political gaining, weaknesses, presided over worsening economic conditions and corruption scandals, lacks broad legitimacy due to contested elections and repression tactics, fails to inspire confidence in a long-term national vision beyond power retention. Nelson Chamisa, strength. Charismatic and enjoys grassroots support, especially among the youth, symbolizes resistance against authoritarian rule. He has international backing and presents himself as a reformist. Weaknesses: struggles with strategic decision making, leading to Tutsi fragmentation, lacks structured economic blueprint beyond populist rhetoric, has failed to consolidate opposition forces, leaving a weak alternative to ZANU-PF. The military option, Valerius Vanda, or a general in waiting strength, has control over the most powerful institutions in Zimbabwe, the army, could impose order and stability in a post-Mnangagwa scenario, less politically tainted than ZANU-PF's civilian leadership. Weaknesses: a military-led government would raise fears of outright dictatorship, lacks democratic legitimacy, and could face resistance from the population, but prioritize military interests over economic and social reforms. Conclusion: Zimbabwe needs a hybrid leader. No single candidate currently ticks all the boxes. Zimbabwe needs a leader who combines: number 1, political survival skills of Mnangagwa, political abuse of Chamisa, economic pragmatism of a technocrat, the institutional backing of a military or security figure. Without the mix, any new leader will struggle to break the cycle of power struggles, economic decline, and weak governance. Zimbabweans must not only look for a change in leadership, but also demand a change in how power is exercised. What do you think comes closest to this ideal leader? Tudze mafunguro echipoti kudii pamusoro awa pekuevaluate kwevatungamiri kana vakomana kuda kulida nyika. Pina comment section medu kuti mafunguro enyu. Sana subscribe or like, send on the bell icon.